Hi, my name is Ling Yuan, application scientist here at LI-COR. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to transfer files from the LI-6400. We will talk about two options. One through the serial cable, and the other is through the Ethernet cable. If your instrument is an XT version, you can use either of these two options. If your instrument is non-XT version, you can use the serial cable option. So for the serial cable option, so be aware the serial cable should be crossover cable, 9-pin to 9-pin. So this cable is provided with the instrument, but be aware this is a crossover cable. Straight cable will not work. If your computer has a serial port equipped, you can connect the serial cable directly to your computer with no issue. But if your computer doesn't have a serial port available, you will need a serial to USB adapter. This serial to USB adapter has FTDI chip installed. Be aware, not all the serial to USB adapter are created equal. In order to work with the 6400, make sure your USB serial to USB adapter has the FTDI chip installed. Okay. So to have it connected, just connect the adapter to the serial cable, and then connect the USB port to your computer. And the other end of the serial cable should be connected to the RS-232 serial port on the console here, like this. Okay. So if your instrument is an XT version, we will suggest you use this method using the Ethernet cable. So to use the Ethernet cable, you should have the Ethernet adapter card available. So just connect the Ethernet cable to the card to the adapter like this, and then connect the Ethernet cable to your computer, and the other end of the card should be connected to the card slot on the back of the console. Once it is successfully connected, you should hear 3 quick beeps. Like this. Just remember, like when you need to disconnect the card, you should press the eject button first and then pull this card out. On the computer, you will need to download the interface software, which is called LI-6400XT, which is showing here. The software is available for downloading on the support website, so you can find the software over here under interface. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to use your Ethernet cable, how to use your serial cable options for this data transfer. So now I already have the serial cable connected by also using a serial to USB adapter. So in the drop-down list here, just pick RS-232 option here. And for the COM port, make sure you pick the correct COM port that is being used on your computer. To check which COM port you are using, go to your control panel, and then go to Device Manager, then go to Ports. And now currently it is COM3 being used for me. So I will go back to the interface software and then pick COM3 from the drop-down list. And then before you press Connect button, make sure to put the instrument into alter mode. By using the serial cable method, the instrument is required to be in L-term mode. To access L-term mode, press letter L on the keypad on your instruments. So I already pressed letter L, so now my instrument is in L-term mode. So then just press connect. So now it is connected. So to access the files, go to Files, the tab Files. So on your left-hand side, this is the folder structure on your computer. So press the little plus sign on your right-hand side, and here is the folder structure in your instrument. By default, user files are stored under the user folder. So press user. So all the files in this folder should show up. And then you can just highlight and then drag and drop to the location you would like to save the file. So that is very straightforward. Okay, so now I have connect the instrument to my computer using the Ethernet cable with the Ethernet adapter card. So to use the Ethernet cable option, just pick Ethernet from this drop-down list. And then the serial number of your instrument should be pop up automatically in this space. And then just press connect button, then it should be connected right away. So not like the serial cable option. So for the Ethernet cable method, the instrument is not required to be in any special mode. So you don't need to put the instrument into any special mode for this Ethernet cable method. And then for the file transfer to access the files, the steps are the same. So go to Files, and then press the little plus sign on your right-hand side. And then the files by default are under the user folder, and the same, just highlight, drag, and drop to any location you would like to save the file. Okay, those are the two options for file transfer from your LI-6400. We have other videos available on the website. Welcome to check them out. As always, if you have any questions or if you need anything from us, please feel free to contact technical support or your local distribution partners. Thank you.